Well, good afternoon, folks. Doug here with Soul Motor Coach in Harrodsburg, Kentucky. Well, actually in Tampa, Florida today at the Tampa RV Super Show. And I had to fly down to get a first look at the 45 BP. I'm going to take you through a full tour of this coach. I cannot wait to show it to you. I already took a sneak peek and this thing is absolutely awesome. Stick with me as I take you through on a full tour of the interior of this one. I think they got a home run here on this 45 BP. And honestly, Tiffin has been needing this floor plan for a long time. I'm glad they really thought it through. This is a very well thought out floor plan, designed extremely well, and I think it's well placed in a great time in this RV industry. And let me know in the comment section down below what you think about this brand new paint scheme for 2026. Now, this is only going to be available on the 45 BP, and I think it's going to be a 1 year, one-time paint scheme. I don't know if it's going to be limited production, but I really like it. Now, there's something a little bit negative about this coach that I don't like. I'm not a huge fan personally of the black wheels and the blackout package. I would much rather see a chrome, and that's the way we ordered our paint scheme in the 45 BP. It's okay for it to be pretty on the outside, but what's it look like on the inside? Go ahead and take you through this. I'm going to turn the camera and take you through a quick little tour of the new 45 BP. We already have 3 of these on order, one of which in this paint scheme. It's got all of the DNA that an Allegro bus has, just like you'd come to know and expect. Same floors, and the new gallery window package, folks, is phenomenal. Yes, I know you lose some cabinet space. I get it. Love what they did with the sound bar up here. I think that's a great placement too. That's new. I don't think I've seen that in our 26 45 OPPs. At least if they did, I don't remember it. They shortened the galley a little bit because they had to bring the refrigerator over to this side, which is understandable. But over on this side here, you're going to see they pretty much kept the same furniture package, the same type of computer dinette style workstation. You get a little pantry on this side. Traditionally, this slide would have been just a little bit bigger. You would have had the refrigerator over here. So again, they swapped the refrigerator, put it over on this side, which I don't hate. Never like to make the galley smaller, but again, you only have 45 feet in which to play with. And you got to fit a lot of stuff in 45 feet. And I think what they did in the back is going to be a game changer for a lot of folks. And because back here is what we're really here for, I think I made the trip down to Tampa literally just to see this coach. I mean, I got a lot of other stuff to do, like I already mentioned, but again, cooler. Now, me personally, I'm optioning our units with the extra cabinet. Don't really need the drink station. That's just me personally. I tend to order these units the way I like them and not exactly the way other people order. And let's make our way back here where we do have a really cool bunk setup. I love what they did at the bottom here with the 2 drawers that pull out, giving you some storage, a nice size height for the first bunk. Folks, that's going to be the main bunk. If you only have one kid, honestly, you're going to raise this up, and I'm going to show that to you right now. As long as they've got power to it, and I can get the bunk up, but this is a power raising bunk here. They just did a good job in my opinion. And as you can see, we've folded this bunk in the up position. So if you want to use this as a closet or one bunk and just open up that space, a full-size adult could use this, no problem. Let's get into this midship bathroom where you can see this the same finish. There's really not much change with Tiffin as far as the fit and finish. Over the years, they really still do a great job with their fit and finish. But this bathroom is phenomenal. Really nice shower. Corian lined walls, stone inlays, teak seat here. Just what you would expect from an Allegro bus. Really nicely done. I like the addition of these little Corian soap dishes. That's really nice. And we're going to have an aquamizer in this coach. I'd say both showers are going to have that. I can't wait to get to the back. Let's get back there and show you what the rear bathroom has to offer in this 45 BP. Working our way beyond our whole coach spider control system is going to be our articulating king size bed. Now, one of the options that I've been doing about 50-50 in our coaches is we're adding the window in the bed slide here and a window on either side. It does remove the cabinets. I think on the BP, I'll probably stick with the overhead cabinets because storage is going to be the key. And just across from the bed, you're going to see a double wardrobe with a huge, humongous smart LG television. Drawers below. Now, another option in here is going to be a fireplace. I think I'm going to remove the fireplace in our units because, again, going back to the storage, anytime you're adding more bathrooms and adding more other things besides storage is going to be literally like the key to how people use a coach. So this coach is going to need more storage. So I think the extra 4 drawers is going to be important in this floor plan. But they haven't really taken anything away from the bedroom. It still looks good. Ample room, folks, to move beside both sides of the bed here. I love the platinum cabinets, if I hadn't already said that in our other videos. But back here is my favorite part of the entire coach. One thing I absolutely love about the Tiffin product and the Allegro Bus with that XSP floor plan, or not, I should say floor plan, XSP style or body style. That extended storage height gives you a flat floor throughout the entire coach, and that is just simply amazing. And this just happens to have my favorite industrial matte gray floors. And as we walk in the bathroom here, as you can see, we now have an emergency egress door. In this floor plan, I don't know if they're going to bring that into the 45 OPP. We're going to find out here in just a little bit as we continue on and do more videos and see the rest of these mid-year 2026 models. So look at here, what an excellent emergency egress door. Now this is kind of a dual use. If you're back this up to the garage and you don't want to walk 50 feet to the front, walk up the stairs, you can actually use this door. Very easy to open. You can use this door to load stuff into the coach or whatever you need to do. And yes, we still have a stack washer dryer tucked away nicely in the corner. And this is a great design of this bathroom too. You would think, okay, I'm going to have a bathtub inside of a rear bathroom, and we're going to get to that in a second. But you didn't lose storage. You got storage above. You still have a medicine cabinet and a sink. Yeah, it's a little bit tight. We still have a stack washer dryer, and we still have a little bit of storage for toiletries and towels and whatever it is you need to put back here. We're literally able to fit everything in here. Back here, folks, look at this. I'm interested to see what they made the walls out of. Let's take a look and see. I'm going to open this up, and yes, that is a bathtub in a 45-foot Allegro Bus with bunks and 2 full bathrooms. This is awesome. Now, am I going to fit in this bathtub? I guess I could, but look at what they've done. What have they made these? What is that wall made of? I'm going to have to find Lee or Joel or somebody and find out what this material is. But look at here. This kind of has like a sauna feel to it. A second skylight to let in natural light. Notice how we have another LG smart television, backlit with real nice LED lighting. Nice little Corian soapbox with another shower miser, Kohler tub. I need to get the dimensions. We'll try to add the dimensions in the video here, but man, this is awesome. And this floor plan is going to be a hit at the show. They put it right in the middle. Really wide spacing all the way around it. This thing is going to be a hit. It's going to be a talk of the show, in my opinion. And chassis wise, they really just kept it exactly where they need to be. This is all new for 2026. We have the Powerglide XC chassis. Yes, it has the steering assist. I think Tiffin is calling it Power Drive from Freightliner. Brand new for 2026. All new chassis. Folks, I did have a chance to drive one of these. We just sold our very first 45 OPP in the frosted granite paint design. That coach drove amazing. So much different. When I say different, yes, it drove differently than the Tiffin the original Powerglide. I think it really married in all of the best stuff from the Powerglide chassis, but it also brought in that expertise from Freightliner and really made it a very easy coach to maneuver and drive. Just a real quick video on the new 45 BP here at Tampa RV Super Show. Again, I've got 3 of these on order. Give us a call if you'd like to get your name on one of these first orders. We're hoping to have our first ones in sooner than later. I thank you all for watching this video. I think we're going to separate this one into a whole video just by itself.